I'm here today with my mom. Say hello to the internet, Mom. I feel like every time you and I are on camera together, it's either funny or we're crying. I wanted to bring my mom on to talk about something that I feel like so many women in my life have dealt with, and that is the issue of hair thinning or hair loss. And my mom has been going through that in the last several years, and so I brought her on to kind of talk about why, and we're going to take you along with this new journey that my mom is going on to help bring some life back into her scalp. So tell me about your journey with hair thinning.
Well, as you can see, I have a lot of hair. I've always had a lot of hair. So my hair has been thinning over the last 6 years. After my mom took ill, I started noticing just a little bit more hair loss, maybe in my brush. Nothing significant. After she passed several months later, I did notice a little bit more, but the significant loss was about 3 months after she had passed.
I feel like with the conversation of hair thinning or hair loss, it's so deeply personal, and I feel like so many women are embarrassed or ashamed to talk about this thing that naturally does happen to all of us as we age or if we're undergoing stress. So yeah, what was that like for you?
It's very frightening. Who wants to lose their hair, especially when it's your crowning glory, and you're used to always having beautiful hair.
She's obsessed with her hair, by the way.
Yes.
Obsessed with her hair.
So, it was frightening, and I talk about it constantly, and it's always on my mind, always.
iRESTORE reached out. I wanted to gift this opportunity to my mom because, I know what she's been struggling with since the loss of my grandma, and I told you so one of us was gonna cry, and of course it was me. Oh. So we're gonna show you all of the goodies that iRESTORE have sent my mom, and we're gonna go through them with you, and I'm still crying, we're gonna take you on this journey, and hopefully we'll be able to come back in a few months and share some really awesome results with you. Really happy to be going on this journey and showing you guys, because what better way to change the conversation and kind of get rid of that shame and guilt that we feel as women. So let's go through our product. This is your thickening shampoo and conditioner. It's vegan, it's pH balanced, it's for all hair types, it's drug-free, it's cruelty-free, and it's dermatologist recommended. Mom's really excited about this one. This is the Growth Activator Serum for thinning hair. And we were talking earlier about how important it is for you to keep your scalp healthy, not just your hair clean. And test the hair gummy vitamins for your hair and your skin and your nails. Mom's
That's great. I'm really excited about those because I've actually been shopping that and researching those. So.
This is the iRESTORE professional device. 282 LEDs and lasers inside of it for a fully extended scalp coverage. It is all natural, it's FDA cleared, and it's clinically proven. So we're gonna have my mom start to try this out and see if we can combat some of those trouble areas on her head. I feel like this is gonna be a whole journey for you, and I'm really excited to see the results.
I am too, thank you.
So we're gonna keep you guys posted.